Hello guys, I hope you're quite well. These are mini gold and black business card template. This is front and back of the card, and you can download from the link in the description. Here is PSD format, raw Photoshop totally customizable. Here is the front artwork, totally customized from here. Put your own logo here, triangle shapes and so on, and here is the back of the card. This was a free download. You just need to click on the link in the description, and here is the card back. Legend Thomas. You can change the text here. Replace. Put your own company name M here. Control S for save, and here is the website jingle.com, www.jingle.com. You can customize it. You can see from here. Again, double click to customize, click replace and type. Control S for save. It will be saved. And here is element. You can see this. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Take care.